Welcome to our latest tutorial on WhatsApp communities. Today we're going to walk you through the process of adding a new group to your WhatsApp community. This guide is up to date as of March 2025, so you can be sure you're getting the most current information. Let's dive right in. First, open up your WhatsApp app. You'll notice the Communities tab at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring up a list of all the communities you're part of. Next, find and select the community where you want to add your new group. Once you're in the community, look for the Add Group option. Tap on it, and you'll see two choices. We're going to select Create New Group for this tutorial. Now comes the fun part, customizing your group. Start by entering a name for your group. Make it something catchy and relevant to its purpose. You'll also have the option to add a description. This is a great place to outline the group's goals or guidelines. Don't forget to choose a profile picture for your group. You can either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. A good profile picture can really help your group stand out. Once you're happy with your group's details, it's time to add some members. You can do this by scrolling through your contacts or searching for specific people. Don't worry if you can't add everyone right away. You can always invite more people later. Finally, when you're all set, just tap the check mark to create your group. And there you have it. Your new group is now part of your WhatsApp community. Remember, creating groups within communities is a great way to organize different topics or subgroups. It keeps everything tidy and makes communication more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting in your new WhatsApp community group.